Let me start with something that genuinely surprised me, and it comes from real data. Over 15,000 people across more than 40 countries have now taken the body type assessment I built. And when I look at which type comes up the most, right at the very top of the list, nearly 1 in 3 people, is this one: Qi, stagnation, stuck energy. It's the single most common pattern of all. And honestly, I don't think that's a coincidence. It's a portrait of modern life. So, does this sound like you? A tight, heavy feeling in the chest, sighing a lot without meaning to, a short fuse, snapping at small things, then feeling bad about it, bloating after meals, dry, tired eyes, restless sleep, a mind that won't switch off, moods that rise and fall. You get checked and nothing serious turns up, but you still feel wound up, blocked, not quite yourself. In Chinese medicine, this is qi stagnation, and it usually starts with one organ, the liver. I'm Jimmy. Today I'll show you what qi stagnation is and 4 gentle points plus a soothing tea to help your energy flow freely again. Let's begin. What is qi stagnation? In Chinese medicine, the liver has a beautiful job. It keeps the qi, the body's energy, moving freely, smoothly, in every direction. The old texts say the liver governs the free flow. When the liver is happy, energy flows, emotions flow, digestion flows, everything moves as it should. But the liver is sensitive to one thing above all: stress, frustration, worry, pent-up emotion. Modern life, the pressure, the screens, the endless to-do list, holding things in, this is exactly what ties the liver's energy in knots. And when the liver's flow gets stuck, the qi backs up like a stream dammed with debris. That stuck energy is what you feel as the tight chest, the sighing, the irritability, the bloating, the restless sleep. It's not that something is broken, it's that the flow is blocked. And the answer in TCM is simple in principle: get the qi moving again, gently soothe the liver and let it flow. Let me show you how with 4 points and a tea. Point 1. Tai Chong, the great liver soother. The first point is the most important of all for qi stagnation, Tai Chong on the foot. It's the source point of the liver channel, and it's the great point for soothing the liver and moving stuck qi. If you learn only 1 point today, make it this one. There's a lovely image in TCM. When the liver energy flares up and rises, Tai Chong is where you bring it back down. That wound up, irritable, can't settle feeling. This is the point that helps let it go. To find it on the top of the foot, slide your finger up the gap between the big toe and the second toe until you reach the point where the 2 bones meet and it stops. In that hollow, just before the bones join, is Tai Chong. Press and knead it with your thumb. It's often quite tender when qi is stuck, which is completely normal. For a few minutes each foot to that mild sore feeling. A wonderful one to do in the evening to unwind. Point 2. Higyu, opening the flow. The second point pairs beautifully with the first, Hegu, on the hand. Together, Tai Chong and Hegu are a classic combination the old physicians called the 4 gates. 2 points on the feet, 2 on the hands, opening the body's gates to let qi flow freely top to bottom. Hegu sits on the large intestine channel, rich in qi and blood, and it's wonderful for easing that stuck, tense feeling and clearing a heavy, foggy head. To find it, on the back of the hand, in the web between the thumb and index finger, squeeze them together and you'll see the muscle rise. The highest point of that mound is Hegu. Press it firmly with the thumb of your other hand, a few minutes each side. But one very important caution: Hegu and Tai Chong both move qi and blood strongly, so they must never be used during pregnancy. Please skip both entirely if you are pregnant or think you might be. Let me pause here and come back to that data from the start because it matters. Qi stagnation may be the most common pattern, but that tense, stuck, blocked feeling isn't always the same underneath. and this changes what your body needs. For most, it's true liver qi stagnation, the classic stuck qi pattern from stress and pent-up emotion. Tense, irritable, sighing, a tight chest. This body needs the qi gently moved and the liver soothed. Exactly what these points do. But for some, that stagnation has smouldered into heat, qi. Stagnation turning to fire, more flushed, more irritable, headaches, a bitter taste, harder to sleep. This one needs gentle cooling as well as moving. And for others, what feels like stuck is really emptiness underneath. A depleted body that doesn't have the energy to move things along. Here, pushing hard to unblock only tires you further. This body needs building up as much as moving. Same blocked feeling, soothe one, cool one, build another. This is exactly the assessment behind that data I showed you. The 115,000 people across 40 countries have taken 29 gentle questions, and it tells you which of the 9 TCM body types you are. And if you're a qi stagnation type, whether it's the classic pattern, the fiery one, or the depleted one, then builds a daily plan around your type, your age, where you live, and the season. IdentifyTCM.com, link in the description. Now, 2 gentler points on the torso. Point 3, Danzhong, opening the chest. The third point is for that tight blocked feeling right in the chest, Danzhong. And let me be precise about where it is, because it's often misunderstood. Danzhong sits on the center of the breastbone, right on the midline of the chest, at the level between the nipples, on the bone itself, not on the breast tissue. In TCM, Danzhong is called the gathering point of the qi of the whole chest. So when the chest feels tight, stuffy and blocked from stress, this is the point to gently open it. Using a few fingers or the flat of your thumb, gently rub this spot on the breastbone in slow circles, up and down the midline, or small circles for a minute or 2. Many people let out a natural sigh as they do it. That's the chest, qi, releasing. Lovely when you feel that pent-up, heavy-chested feeling. Point 4, Kimen, the liver's own gathering point. The fourth is Kimen, and it's special because it's the liver's own gathering point on the front of the body, where the liver's qi collects. That makes it a lovely direct point for soothing liver, qi stagnation. Now, location. Kimen sits on the rib cage, below the chest, in the space between the ribs, roughly straight down from the nipple line, but well below it, down on the rib bones themselves, on the ribs, not on any soft tissue. Because it's over the ribs, keep the touch gentle. Using the flat of your fingers, gently rub or press along that space between the ribs in slow, easy circles for a minute or so, both sides. It's traditionally used to soothe the liver and ease that stuck, tense, sighing feeling. A gentle finish to your qi moving routine. Keep it light and comfortable, never digging into the ribs. A soothing tea plus habits. Beyond the points, 2 more gentle supports. First, a soothing liver tea, a few rosebuds, a slice or 2 of dried tangerine peel, and, if you have it, a little Buddha's hand citron steeped in warm water. Rose gently moves the qi, tangerine peel eases and regulates it. A little honey is a lovely addition. It softens the liver's tension and harmonizes everything. One important caution. Rose gently moves the blood. So if you are pregnant or still having periods and they're heavy, please leave the rose out. And second, the real root of it. Qi stagnation, more than almost any pattern, is tied to the mind and the emotions. So the points and tea help, but the deepest medicine is this. Find ways to let things out rather than hold them in. A walk, a talk with a friend, movement, time outdoors, something that genuinely unwinds you. In TCM, a freely flowing mind and a freely flowing liver go hand in hand. A clear note before we close. Everything today is gentle, everyday self-care, grounded in classical Chinese medicine. It is not a medical treatment and it doesn't replace medical care. A tight chest, low mood, ongoing digestive trouble, or lasting sleep problems can have many causes, and some need proper care. In particular, chest pain, breathlessness, or pressure is never something to treat at an acupoint. That's an emergency. Call your local emergency number. And if low mood or anxiety is weighing on you, please reach out to a doctor or a mental health professional. That's real strength, not weakness. And once more, Hegu and Taichung must never be used in pregnancy, and leave rose out of the tea if you're pregnant or have heavy periods. If you're managing a health condition or taking medication, check with your healthcare provider first. So, Taichung and Hegu to open the gates, Danzhong to open the chest, Qimen to soothe the liver, a rose and tangerine tea, and above all, ways to let things flow rather than hold them in. If qi, stagnation, is the most common pattern of our times, gentle daily care like this is exactly what it's for. And if you'd like to know whether you're a qi stagnation type and which kind, identified TCM.com will map your constitution in 3 minutes. I'm Jimmy. Let's keep sharing the beauty of Chinese medicine. See you next time.